Welcome to Studio Helper, the easy way to manage your studio. In this video, I'll show you how to create enrollment forms, which students will be able to use to sign up for your classes. There are two different ways to schedule classes, recitals, and other events in your studio. You can open the calendar menu and choose Add Event to schedule an event and assign students to attend it. We discussed this option in our tutorial on adding events. Or you can open the calendar menu and choose Enrollment Forms to schedule an event and invite students to sign up for it themselves. On the Enrollment Forms page, you'll see a list of any enrollment forms you've already created, including which teacher will teach this class or run this event, how students will pay for it, the general subject area, and how many students have signed up so far. If you limited the size of the class, you'll also see how many students can sign up. In this case, 3 of 5 available spaces are taken. And you'll also see when registration will end, when the enrollment form was created, and whether this event is currently open for more registrations. To add a new event for students to sign up for, click Create Enrollment Form in the sidebar on the right. Now, open the Teacher dropdown and choose who will teach this class or run this event. Open the Package dropdown and choose how your students will pay for it. Will you bill them for each session they attend, or will you charge them a flat rate for the whole semester? And open the Class dropdown to identify the general topic of the event, for instance, beginning ballet or advanced taekwondo. By default, any number of students can sign up for your event. If you'd prefer to limit the size of this event, you can click on Limited Students Can Register and then enter the maximum number of registrations to allow. Now enter a name for your event. You can use the current date or choose a different date from the calendar. You can open the drop-down menu and choose a starting time and also choose an ending time, or you can just type in any starting and ending times you like. If this is a one-time event, choose Does Not Repeat. You can also create a series of events that will repeat on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. I'll choose weekly and meet with this class every other week on Wednesday for the next 6 weeks. We discuss these options in detail in our tutorial on adding events. Then choose the location where this event will take place. To add a new location, click New and enter a name and description. And choose the appropriate category, like a private lesson or a group rehearsal. To add a new category, click New, give it a name, and choose a color for our color-coded calendar. If you have any special requirements, prerequisites, or other guidelines for students who might want to sign up for your event, you can enter them in the policy field. By default, students can register for your event free of charge. But if you like, you can click Registration Fee is required and enter the amount that should be charged to your student's credit card when they sign up for this event. Finally, open the calendar and choose a date when registration will end, and click Save Enrollment Form at the bottom. Studio Helper will show you all the details you've just set up and the date and time of the event you've created. If you chose a repeating schedule, you'll see a list of all of the events in your series. This is a brand new event, so no one signed up for it yet. By default, a new event is open for registration. You can close registration once you have enough students, or even close registration for now and open registration for all of your classes at a particular date and time. Review your details and click Save. Your new enrollment form is added to your list. We'll discuss how students will access and use your form and how you can manage their registrations in our tutorial on managing enrollment forms. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please watch the other video tutorials on our help page, check out the Studio Helper blog, or just visit www.studiohelper.com.